Hey students, it's me, Sir Hendrik from Hendrik Academy. When you were in year 7 in lower secondary, you already learned an important topic in mathematics is number patterns and sequences. Like now, I will explain deeply regarding that topic, especially arithmetic progressions. On the next video, I will explain the geometric progressions after this topic. Okay, before I begin this lesson, please click like and subscribe this video if this video is useful for you. And then afterwards, take your pen, pencil, and your notebook, and let's study with me. Okay, I will begin with the theory of this topic of arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions difference with the geometric progressions. Look carefully this theory that an arithmetic progressions with n terms can be written as like this: a plus d, and then a plus 2d, and then a plus 3d, and so on. So a plus n minus 1d. Yeah. So this is the formula of the arithmetic progression. And the n term of an arithmetic progression can be written as un equal a plus n minus 1 d. So un is the symbol of the n terms. Yeah. Later you're gonna learn also regarding Sn. Sn is another symbol in progressions or in sequences. All right. What is mean of un equal a plus n minus 1 d? What is mean the n terms? For example, like this. If a number patterns like this, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. The first term, or u1 equal 2. I have explained this in my video for lower secondary. And the second terms, or u2 equal 4. The third terms, or u3 equal 6. Okay, so un, it means if un, it means a plus n minus 1d. Okay, and if you can find u5 or fifth terms, very simple. Just 2 plus just 2, 4, 6, 8. Of course, the fifth terms equal 10 here, and the sixth terms equal 12 here. Okay. So how about if the question is find please the 100 terms, or u100. Okay. How to find u100? You should using this formula, this rule. Okay, let's look at this. I'm gonna use another sequence. For example, the sequence 2, 5, 8, and so on. In this sequence, in this number patterns, u first, or usually all mathematicians agree that for u first symbol is a, okay, u first or first terms is 2, okay, and the common difference or d, symbol of common difference is d. What is common difference? Common difference, if 5 minus 2 is the difference between 2 and 5, 5 and 8, and so on. Okay, 5 minus 2 equal 3, 8 minus 5 equal 3 as well. So common difference equal 5 minus 2 equal 3. Okay. Now, if you're gonna find U100 or 100 terms, you just submit A equal 2 and D equal 3 into these equations. Okay, UN equal A plus N minus 1 D. All right. Now look this. A equal 2 plus N equal 100 minus 1 and D equal 3. How much? 2 plus 99 minus 3. It means 2 plus 99 minus 3, 99 times 3, I mean, equal to 7 here at 29. Okay, and U100 or 100 terms equal 299. Okay, 297 plus 2 equal to 199. Okay, clear? Right, I'll continue for the next slide. This. So difference between this formula and this formula. This formula is n term, okay? And this formula is formula for sum of an arithmetic progressions. Okay, what does it mean? What the difference? Okay, look, I'm gonna use that sequence just now, 2, 5, and 8. Okay. All right. So A equal 2 and common difference equal 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. If 2 plus 5 equal 7, 2 plus 5 is U1 plus U2, or first term plus second terms equal 7. Okay. Or U first plus second term plus third term equal 2 plus 5 plus 8. Okay, 15. And if U first plus U2 plus U3 plus U4, okay, it means 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11. How much? 26. Okay. So how, for this calculations, for U1 plus U2, the symbol is S2, this. Okay. And the symbol for U1 plus U2 plus U3 is is S3. And the symbol for this addition, U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 equal S4. So S5 for U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 plus U5. That's simple. If S5, it means U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 plus U5. Okay, so it means 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 13. Okay, how much? 39. Very simple. So how about if the question is S100? Impossible you're gonna use this method. U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 plus U5 till U100. So therefore, we should use this formula, this rule. Okay, so this formula are useful if you want to calculate S100. Okay, I will remind. This reminder. UN formula A plus N minus 1 times D is formula useful for if you want to find the N terms. Yeah, for example, the sequence 2 plus 2, 5, 8. How to find the 7 terms? You should use this formula. While the Sn, yeah, this formula Sn n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d is useful if you want to find, for example, S7. S7, I recall that S7 is U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 plus U5 plus U6 plus U7. Yeah. Okay. All right. So don't confuse regarding this formula, UN and Sn. All right. Let's continue. Now find U9 if A equal 4 and D equal 3. A is U first or first terms, while D is common difference. Okay, I recall that UN formula equal A plus N minus 1 times D. It means if U9 equal, this one number 1, 4 plus 9 minus 1 times 3. And it becomes 4 plus 9 minus 1 equals 8, 8 times 3 is 24. And that is 28. All right, now, so how about if number 2? The 2, UN equal A plus N minus 1 times D. If U9, it means negative 3 plus 9 minus 1 times 2. Negative 3 plus 8 times 2, 16. So negative 3 plus 16 equal 13. Okay, so for number 1, U9 is 28, while for number 2, the U9 or the nth terms is 13. Okay, now this, if A or first term equal -4 and common difference equal 2, gonna find the U7 and U9. All right, now UN, recall that UN equal A plus N minus 1 times D. It means U7 equal -4, yeah, plus 7 minus 1 times 2, -4, 6 times 2, 12. Okay, -4 plus 12 equal 8. Okay, so how about U9? U9 equal -4 plus 9 minus 1 times 2, -4 plus 16. Okay, 16 because 8 times 2. Then it becomes 12. All right, I think clear. Very simple. That is an arithmetic progressions 4, 7, 10, so on. Find U6. Look this sequence. It's arithmetic progressions. A equal 4, B 7 minus 4, 3. It means for UN, recall that UN is A plus N minus 1 times D. U6 equal 4 plus 6 minus 1, yeah, times 3. So this one, not B, but D. This one D. Okay. And it becomes 4 plus 5 times 3, 15, equal 19. I'm going to find U100. U100 equal 4 plus 100 minus 1 times D times 3, it means. Okay. And this one becomes 4 and 99 times 3. And it becomes 297. Sorry. 297. Okay. 297 equal 300 what? 301. Very simple, I think. Next. The nth terms of an arithmetic progression is 8. And in term, it means U9. U9 equal 8. And the fourth terms, or U4, equal 18. Okay. Find the first term and the common difference. We're going to find A and D. Recall that UN equal A plus N minus 1 times D. Okay. U9, it means it becomes A plus 9 minus 1 times D. Okay. And this one, A plus 4 minus 1 because U4. times D equal 8 and equal 18. Okay, I'm gonna move here on this space. Okay, it becomes A plus 8D equal 8, and this equation becomes A plus 3D 18 minus, it becomes 0, 5D equal negative 10, and D equal negative 10 over 5, D equal negative 2. Okay, D equal negative 2. How about A? We may use these equations or the first equations or the second equations. I'm going to use the first equations. A plus 8D equal 8, while D equal negative 2. Negative 2 here, or 8, A minus 16 equal 8. A equal 8 plus 16, because a negative 16 moves to the right side. A equal 24. So A equals 24, while D equal negative 2. Very simple, isn't it? Next. In an arithmetic progressions, the eight terms, it means U8, 39, and the fourth terms is 19, or U4. Okay, find the first terms and the sum of the first 12 terms. We're gonna find A and S12. Okay, but you should find first A and D. I recall that UN equal A plus N minus 1 times D, while Sn equal half N times 2A plus N minus 1 times D. Okay. All right. So it means if U8 equal 39, and it becomes A plus 8 minus 1. D equal 39. And this one, 8, A plus 4 minus 1. 19. Okay. And it becomes A plus, so this one A, not D. A plus 7B. Yeah, 7D. 39. And this one A plus 3D. 19 minus 4D equal 20, and D equal 20 over 4 equal 5. Okay. So how about A? I'm going to use this formula, a plus 7d a plus 7 times 5, 39, and it becomes a plus 35 equal 39, and a equal 39, a minus 35. How much? 4. So a equal 4 and d equal 5. Now we should find S12. Okay. Based on this formula, okay, S12 equal 12 over 2 times 2a. 2a, it means 2 times 4. A plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1. Okay, times d, it means times 5. And it becomes 6 times 8, 55. Okay, equals 6 times 30, yeah, 33. Okay, 6 times 33 equal 8, okay, 7, 6. Sorry, 3. Not 6, but this one 3. 3, 7, 8. Because, yeah, 3, 6 times 6, yeah, 3, this one. 378. Okay, so first term is 4, while the sum of the first 12 terms equal 378. This, find the sum of the first 30 terms of arithmetic progressions. We're going to find S12. Okay, in this progressions, arithmetic progressions, a equal 2, while d equal -5 minus 2, -7. Okay, S12. Call that Sn equal n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, it means 12 over 2 times 2 times 2 plus 12 minus 1 times -7. Okay, it becomes 6. 4 plus 11 minus -7. 6. 4 minus 77, because 11 times -7 equals -77. And it becomes 6 times -73. Okay. 6 times -73 equal, yeah, of course, negative. 8 here, 6 times 7, yeah, 43. Okay, so the first 30 or S12, this one. Okay, we're gonna find S30. Okay, sorry, S30. This S12, S30 equal 30 over 2 times 2 times 2 plus 30 minus 1 times negative 7, 15, 4 plus 29 times negative 7, 15, 4 minus negative 7 times 29, okay, 200, negative 203, well, 15 times 203 becomes 199. Negative here, it's a 9, not 5. 199 times, yeah, negative 199, negative 199 times 15 becomes negative 2,985. So S30 is one. The first 30 terms of the arithmetic progressions, these progressions, yeah, or S30, this is the result. Okay, next. So that the sum of the integers from 1 to n is 1. Okay, half n times n plus 1. If integers and a equal 1, integers it means 1, 2, 3, 4 till n. It means a equal 1 and d equal 2 minus 1. 1. Now, Sn, it means for integers, Sn equal n over 2 times 2 times 1 plus n minus 1 times 1. We may write down this a half n times 2 plus n minus 1 like this. Okay, and it becomes a half n times 2 minus 1 equal 1, so n plus 1. Okay, like this. All right, students, if you have any questions or maybe you don't understand yet my explanations, you may send me a message or request through my email, henrik.academy21@gmail.com. Thank you for watching and learning with me. See you.